Hello friends, my name is AJ and I welcome you all on behalf of Exire. Today we are in the fourth part of Learn HTML web series, and in the last tutorial we talked about ordered list and unordered list, and today we are going to talk about nesting those list tags, either UL or OL, both of them. And nesting means using one tag inside the other. So as we have used the heading tag inside the body tag, so this is called nesting basically. So body tag was the main tag wherein the body of the document which has to be displayed on the browser starts. So we never call it it nesting because that is the starting of the document. Now within the document, if we are using multiple tags, say heading tag or font tag or any other tags within the other tag, means before the ending of the tag we have started, we call it nesting of the tags. So today we are going to learn about nesting of the list tags, UL and OL tags. Then we'll talk about one more type of list, that is a glossary list. Glossary list is a bit different from nested this UL and OL. Generally, OL and UL, that is ordered and unordered list, are consisting of only standalone list item tags, LI tags. But unlike UL and OL, glossary lists have DL tag, that is the definition list tag, then the definition term tag, and definition detail. So basically this glossary list consists of these three tags. This is the starting of glossary list, and when we have to end the glossary list, we have to put a slash before this GL. Then we'll have we have to define the term. Suppose, say, if I'm saying what is your name, or say suppose we mention a name of the places. Suppose we mention India, so India will be definition term, and then we write the detail about India in the definition tag, that is DD tag. And after that we'll learn this comment tag. Basically comment tag is a tag wherein whatever you mention within this starting and ending tag, it never appears in the browser. So if you will see in the browser, you will not be able to see this comment. This is for the development purpose generally. And if you want to see this comment, the HTML comments, you will have to right click on the browser window and then view source, or press Ctrl plus U from the keyboard, so that you will be seeing the whole HTML part, wherein you will be able to see this comment, but not in the browser or the designing of the browser. So we'll straight away start with the coding part. Okay, so guys, as always, I'll copy the last page we have coded, and I'll rename it so that we have all the coding in one place, the previous one, and we can distinguish it with the new one we are going to do it today. So we'll open up with Notepad plus plus because I like it the most, and I'll copy this tag and I'll start pasting it. Yeah, we have break. And so guys, this is the list we were talking about last time, and now this is part 4, and we will be talking about the nested list. So mm, I'll copy the simple list, and I'll show you how these lists work. The nesting of list will be working. So this is it, and so as you see, this is the part we have started today. And So I was talking about nesting. So we'll start with the this tag. So you can see this list has this list item has started but not ended. So if we try and paste this one, I'm just giving you the example. So I have copied and pasted the same thing, and if you want I can do one more thing for you to make this very clear. I'll remove certain items over from here, and then so this is list item started, and we have not ended this list item, and inside that list item we have started one more list. So this is called nesting of list inside another list. So we'll just refresh it. So see guys, this is called the nesting of list. You can do it till any level. This is I'm just showing it for an example for one level. And if you want to list OL inside UL or UL inside OL, that is also possible. That is not restricted in HTML. So see this one, and you can do vice versa also. So if you will make the parent list as the ordered list and the child list as the unordered list. So here we have, see see the difference. So this is called the nesting of list. Basically we have nested the list within the other one. And now I'm going to show you the glossary list, what we were talking about in the introduction of this video. So I'll put certain break tags so that you can see the difference over there. Now a glossary list is started by DL tag, that is the definition list. Definition list here means we are defining certain terms within this list, then it is started by DT. DT tag is a definition term, so whatever you want to define. So whatever you want to define will come here, and the definition of that term will be in that is definition tag. So this one is definition list, it is starting the list, and this is definition term, and this is definition. So what you can do, the definition of term, I'll just copy this one, and this is the sample text. You can do it as you like and as per your content. So this is like this DT and DD tags, and even what you can do, you can just I'll copy and paste so that you can see the actual application. So this is the definition and whatever you want to define. This is a slightly short line, so you won't be able to see the difference. So I'll use this one in all of them. So guys, this is just an example so that you can see the difference. So this is like you whatever you want to define, and then whatsoever you want to define, and the definition. So this was the glossary list, and I'll show you the comment tag as promised. This is the bonus tag for today. So whatever you mentioned between this and this, so just a second, yeah. Now it will be clear. This is the starting of comment tag and this is the ending of comment tag. So whatever you mention within this is a comment. So you won't be able to view this comment in the browser. This might be for your development purpose, so that you can write some notes for yourself and you may remember it in the future, like whatever you line HTML you have written is for certain thing. Now if we go in view page source, and so you can see this as HTML but not as the rendered document. Okay, so this is all for this video. I'll be back shortly with a new video, and I'll be explaining you in that video the linking of multiple pages. We'll be creating 2-3 pages and then linking both all the pages together, so that you can get started with a basic website. Have a nice time, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you want to view all the tutorials, you can visit exire.com. And if you want to receive future updates regarding this channel from YouTube, you can click on subscribe, and you can share this video if you want to spread the information and knowledge among others, as I do. Thanks a lot. Thanks once again. Have a nice day. Bye bye.